Welcome back. In my last video, I broke down the basics of electronic data interchange, or EDI, and the X12 standard, how data is structured, and how it flows between senders and receivers in the world of business. I'll attach a link in the description in case you want to pause here and watch that video first. But today, we're going to talk about how to actually implement X12 EDI, and more importantly, why you should. No matter what industry you're in, understanding this system is essential for fortifying your revenue cycle. To implement the X12 standard properly, start by mapping your transaction sets to your internal data formats. This ensures that the information you send or receive fits seamlessly into your existing system. It's like translating two languages into a shared one so everyone understands the message. Next, run through system evaluations. This is where you test your EDI readiness. Don't skip this part. It's how you catch issues before they slow you down later. You'll want to test your interchange flows and transaction sets with each business partner. Run mock transmissions, monitor those early exchanges, fix the hiccups before going live. That brings us to some of the common pain points in EDI implementation. These include mapping errors, integrating with outdated or legacy systems, and managing software that just doesn't play nice with EDI standards. These are fixable, but only if you're paying attention during the testing phase. One thing to always double check is alignment. Each functional group, header, and identifier must be set up correctly. If they're even slightly off, you risk transmission errors or failed exchanges, and no one wants that. So now that you know how, let's talk about why the X12 standard is beneficial to your operations. First and most obvious, X12 EDI helps eliminate paper. No more faxing, no more piles of printed forms, and no more manual data entry. This immediately cuts down on errors and saves hours of work. When you're no longer rekeying information from one system to another, you get cleaner, more accurate data. That translates into fewer denied claims, fewer return purchase orders, and smoother business operations. X12 also helps standardize communication. Because all parties follow the same format, there's far less room for miscommunication. Everyone sees the same data in the same structure at the same time. Security is another big win. Because EDI follows structured protocols and predefined transmission formats, it's more secure than emailing or manually sharing sensitive data. And let's not forget speed. EDI transactions can happen in seconds. That means faster approvals, quicker payments, and shorter wait times for your customers. All of this contributes to one major business outcome: cost savings. Less paper, less labor, fewer errors, and faster turnaround all lead to lower overhead and improved efficiency. The global EDI market is only going to keep growing, especially in industries like healthcare, where data volumes are increasing fast. Understanding and implementing the X12 standard is more than just a smart move, it's a strategic advantage. If you'd like to learn more about the X12 standard and EDI, reach out to Etactics. And you already made it this far into the video, so you might as well like it, share it, and comment below.